morning to all of my students. All of you, say Assalamu alaikum. Good morning. Very good morning. Okay, that's great. It's very good to see you all in front of the screen. Wow, this is our first class and this is our literacy class, right? So, is everybody ready? Everybody is in front of the screen right now. All of you can see me? Okay, that's great. And can all of you hear me clearly? Good. Okay, that's so lovely. Great. That's so great. So, this is our first class, right? So, we are new to each other. First of all, I am going to tell you a little about myself, right? I will introduce myself. Okay, my name is Miss Sadia, and I will be your class teacher, right? Miss Sadia, and I will be your class teacher, right? We are going to enjoy and learn and we'll have much fun, right? Are you ready for that? Okay, that's great. So, once again, I'm going to introduce myself to you. My name is Miss Sadia, and I will be your class teacher, right? We'll be friends, okay? So that's the way you are going to introduce yourself one by one. But before that, I will introduce you to two of my friends, right? They're also with me in the class. So before you start, we are going to ask them as well. Here are some friends. Oh, like not two. They're more than two, right? So they will also introduce themselves to you, right? Because there will be many teachers teaching you. Some will be teaching you English, numeracy. Some will be teaching you Islamiyat and Urdu. Some will be teaching you arts, so, right? So there will be many teachers. So they will also introduce themselves to you. And I have some friends even that will introduce themselves to you, right? Are you ready? Okay, so before we're going to start our class, you are going to follow some instructions, right? So you have to listen to that carefully because that is the first instruction, okay? The first instruction is that you have to listen very carefully, right? Make sure that your mic is not mute and you can hear me properly, right? And for that, you have to look onto your screens for that mic option. Can everybody see that mic option? Right? Right here, there's a mic option. Can you see that? Yes. That means that when you have to say something, you have to open up that mic, right? So everybody can listen to you. And then there is another sign of a camera, right? There is another sign of a camera. Can you see that? Yes. That is the sign that when you will put it on, I will be able to see you, right? And you will be able to see me. Is that okay? Did you understand that? Okay, that's great. And then one more important thing is there is always a hand sign, right? You're going to always put up your hands before you want to say something, right? So that will pop up on the screen and teacher will get to know that you want to say something. Would that be okay? Understand? Okay, so no problem. This is our first class, and we're going to repeat the same in a few classes so that you will understand that. Is it okay? Okay. So, do you all know my name? Miss Sadia, right? Miss Sadia. And in the same way, you will also tell me my names, but a little later, right? So, before that, as I told you, that there are some people who want to meet you and they want to introduce themselves to you. So, do you want to meet them too? Yes, okay. That is so great that you also want to meet them. That is so great. But first of all, let me see. Are you all ready? Ready? Happy? You're smiling? Everybody's smiling? Everybody's energetic? Hmm? Feeling good? Fresh? Yes. Okay, let's see how many you are feeling fresh, right? Okay, and for that, we are going to do a little of exercise, right? Okay, so everybody's going to stand up. Stand up. Okay, good, good, good. Yes, everybody stand up. Very good. Okay, so everybody stand up. Now, what we're going to do is we will do a little jumping, right? Do you want to do that? Not all, right? Okay, no problem. That will be fun. Okay, we'll make it a fun. So let's start jumping, right? We'll only do 5 jumps, right? Only 5 jumps. Okay, come on, let's start, right? With the count of, I'll say start and you'll start jumping, right? Okay, start. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Yeah, that's great. You enjoyed it? That was a little exercise to make you active. Okay, okay, that's great. Okay, everybody, now settle down, sit relaxedly, and we are going to watch the video. Right? Okay, okay, relax, sit down. Very nice, excellent. Okay, that's great. So the teacher is going to share a video with you. There are some people who want to meet you and greet you and introduce themselves. Right? Now listen carefully. Remember, listen carefully. Okay. Let's start. Yeah.
Hello, children. My name is Alia. I will be your grade 2 teacher.
Hi, kids. My name is Arif. I will be your teacher for grade 1.
Hey, how are you, my students? My name is Eman. I will be teaching you for your early years. Salam. My name is Sarah. My lovely students. I will teach you Islamia. खुश आमदीद मैं हूँ मिस मारिया आपकी उर्दू टीचर. And we are excited to be part of Year of Exploring.
Wow. See, there are so many teachers who want to teach you. They will teach you and they will be your very good friends, right? Are you excited to meet all of them? Yes, you will be meeting all of them one by one, right? And then we will be friends. Okay. Before I'm going to start the class, the lecture, I'm just going to just tell you, and we will just a little remind each other that we have to wash our hands, right? Are you washing your hands often, like after 2 hours, 3 hours? Are you washing your hands? And are you washing them properly, right? And I hope you know you're washing hands properly, right? Do you all know how to wash hands properly, right? So don't forget to wash your hands, then pat them dry and sanitize them. Maybe you can put a little lotion too because it's a dry weather, right? Don't forget to wash your hands again and again and sanitize them, right? So I will keep reminding you for that because that's very important these days. That is very important, but it's actually more important these days, right? Okay, so coming back to the class, as I told you, I'm your class teacher, and my name is Miss Sadia, and I am a girl, right? I'm a woman, I'm a girl, and I will be your class teacher. Right? Okay. So here are my friends, and they are going to introduce themselves to you, right? Okay. So let's see who comes. Yeah. Ali. Yay. Okay, Ali. This is Ali, right? Ali, you introduce yourself to my little friends. Huh? Right? Okay. Are you excited? Are you happy? Ali looks happy, doesn't he? Yes, he looks happy. Ali, are you happy? You excited to meet my friends, my little friends? Oh, that's great. He says he is very happy to see you all and he's saying goodbye. I mean, like he's waving, he's saying hello to you, right? Okay, so he is going to introduce himself. Okay, my name is Ali and I am a boy. I am 5 years old. I am in KG class. Right? And I love to ride bicycle. I love to ride bicycle. And my favorite color is blue. Oh, wow. Okay, Ali. Is your favorite color blue? Okay, and what's the color of your hair? My hair color is brown. Yes, his hair color is brown. And what's the color of your eyes? My eye color is blue. My eye color is blue. Let us see all. Wow, yes, his eye color is blue. And you're wearing a uniform, right? Yes, he's wearing a uniform. Wow, you look so smart, right? Okay, Ali. So, Ali, again, tell us about yourself. My name is Ali, and I am a boy. I am 5 years old. I am in KG class, and I love to ride bicycle. My favorite color is blue. My hair color is brown, and my eye color is blue, right? Hello to you all. Hello, everybody. How are you today? Fantastic. Okay, that's great. I'm happy too to see you all. Okay, see you soon. Okay, bye bye. Wow, that is so great. See, this was Ali, and he is a boy, right? And that's why he likes to ride bicycle. But even girls, right, likes to ride bicycle. I love to ride bicycle. I love it, right? Okay, so we have another little friends who wants to meet you, right? And who is this? Okay, who is this? Oh, wow. This is she is going to tell all about herself, right? Okay. So you are going to introduce yourself to my little friends? Yes. She's also very happy to see you, isn't she? So she looks so happy. Happy child, right? As you all are very happy and beautiful and cute little kids, right? Okay. So now you're going to introduce yourself to my students, right? Okay. My name is Sarah and I am a girl. I am 4 years old and I am in nursery class. My favorite color is pink and I love to read books. Wow, she loves to read books. Okay, who else likes to read books? Read? Who? Yes, me too. I love reading books, right? So, you like reading books? And look, what is the color of your eyes? My eye color is blue. Look at this. Yes, okay. And what about your hair? My hair are golden. My hair color is golden. And I have a teddy bear. Wow, yes, she has a teddy bear. Do you like to play with it? Is he your friend? Yes, it's my favorite toy and I love to play with him. Oh, that's great. We like it too. Okay, Sarah, that's so lovely that you introduce yourself to us. Okay, so we will see you in our next class, right? Okay, now bye bye. Bye bye, Sarah. See you soon. Okay, see, this was Sarah and Ali, and they become our friends, right? So now, in the same way, you all have to one by one introduce yourself to each other, to the teacher, and to all of your friends, right? Okay, that's so great. So we're going to start. All right, you'll raise your hand, or I'll ask you to introduce yourself, right? Okay, so first of all, yes, Sana. Okay, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. See, it's a cold weather and you have to take care of yourself. You have to cover yourself. If you're feeling cold, you have to wash your hands so all the germs gets away, right? Do you want them to get away, or you want to keep the germs? Nobody want to keep the germs, right? Okay, that's so great. So now one by one, you are going to introduce yourself to me, and we will know each other, right? Okay, starting with Sat, right? Sat, good. Okay, now, yes, Sana, good. Okay, great, great, great. Lovely. Okay, Umar, you tell us about yourself. Okay, that's so great. Lovely. Very confident children. I'm very happy to hear you. That's so great. Okay, that's so lovely. So see, if you're a boy, you have to introduce yourself in some other way, and if you're a girl, you have to tell about yourself in some other way. Like you have to tell that I'm a girl, and my name is Sarah. I am a girl, and I like to read books. Or my favorite color. There are different favorite colors of boys and girls, but not very different, right? If we like pink color, maybe Umar even likes pink color, that's okay, right? So this was our whole class, and we are all happy to see each other, right? So once again, I would want you to meet your teacher, right? And maybe you can remember their names, or when they will come to you and see you, they will tell their names to you as well, right? Okay, so once again, we will watch the video which we have seen before. Okay, now let's see the video.
Hello, children. My name is Alia. I will be your grade 2 teacher.
Hi, kids. My name is Arif. I will be your teacher for grade 1.
Hey, how are you, my students? My name is Iman. I will be teaching you for your early years. Salam. My name is Sarah. My lovely students. I will teach you Islamia.
मैं हूँ मिस मारिया आपकी उर्दू टीचर
And we are excited to be part of Year of Exploring.
That's great. Okay, see, everybody's so excited to meet you, and that's so lovely, right? So, this was our class for today, the introduction, right? We're going to see each other in the next class. Till then, keep washing your hands, keep drinking water, right? And don't forget to put your mask on when you go out. Okay, now I'm going to say goodbye to you and see you in the next class. Okay, everybody say goodbye and see you soon in the next class, right? Bye bye.